Understanding, Deny Admission, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a common English phrase that can be a bit confusing for language learners. Deny admission. We'll explore its meaning, usage, and some examples to help you understand how to use it in your daily conversations. Let's get started. Deny admission refers to the act of refusing to allow someone to enter a place or join an institution, group, or event. It's often used in formal contexts, such as in schools, universities, or exclusive events. Remember, this phrase is about rejection or refusal of entry or acceptance. 1. Educational institutions. When a university or school does not accept a student's application, they are said to deny admission to that student. 2. Events and venues. It can also refer to not allowing someone to enter a place, like a club or private event, due to various reasons such as capacity, dress code, or ticket issues. 1. The university denied admission to several applicants due to limited seats. 2. He was denied admission at the club because he didn't meet the dress code requirements. Understanding synonyms can help expand your vocabulary. Some similar phrases to deny admission are reject application, refuse entry, decline enrollment. When using deny admission, it's important to pair it with the right context. Use it in formal situations and remember it often carries a negative connotation, as it involves rejection. And that wraps up our exploration of deny admission. I hope this video has clarified its meaning and usage for you. Remember, practicing these phrases in different contexts will help you master them. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.